Hi, my name is Jeremiah, and this is my final project for MMS144. I created a transfer of credits database. This database contains four tables. The first table is a student, which contains the student information. A major table, which contains the list of programs in UPOU. Course completed contains the list of subjects that a specific student has already taken and requesting credit for. And the course table contains the list of available subjects in UPOU. So, describing the cardinality, a student can only be enrolled in a specific program, could be BAMS or AA, and then on the other hand, multiple students can be enrolled on the same program. So, the cardinality between student and course completed, a specific student can have 0 to many subjects credited towards his name, and on the other hand, a specific subject can only be credited towards a single student. And then for the course completed in the course, a specific course can only be equivalent to one UPOU subject, and on the other hand, multiple subject can be equivalent to a UPOU course. So this means that it could be different subject in name, but if it has the same subject description, then it is the equivalent. All right, next part, I'm gonna show you how to create a database. So let's type in create. And to use that database, we're gonna type in use and the name of the database. So this is a blank database, so we're gonna try to put in some tables. So let's create one. Okay, so that's it. And then if we're gonna put in some contents, then we're gonna type in insert to major. And the values. So that's all about creation and putting information in it. So if we wanted to see what's in the table, we can do that by, what do you call this, select. From major. So it shows you the list of the entries in a specific table. So um, let's try to use the original database that I used for this project for the further examples. So the database is TOC, which means transfer of credits. So I'm gonna show you the tables that's in it. So let me show you the course table. And course completed. And major. student. So let's so from so for the other examples, let's do an update on a content on a specific database. So let's use let's use the course table. Um, let's bring that up. There's the course table. So for example, I wanted to change Hist 1 from Philippine history to because I sat in the Pilipinas, something like that. So let's go ahead and change it. A course set course name equals so that's been updated. So when we show that same table, it's gonna give you a different course name. What else can we do here? For example, I wanted to delete com2 or kasanayan sa komunikasyon. We do that by using the delete command. Course name where course ID equals to com2. Oops. Okay, let me just find out where the error is here. Com2. Oh, okay. There we go. So com2 has been deleted. So let me show you different commands on how we can look up things. So for example, if you wanted to search for something specific, for example, something that contains a specific student ID, then we do that by doing this command. So for example, this one is only showing everything that has been completed by the student with the student number of 2014-92292. So for example, if wanted to show two students, then use the same command. Oops, and student ID, and we can type in IN and open parentheses and then type in the student number. 2009-2292, and for example 2014-92293. So it's gonna bring up everything that has been completed by the person that has the student number of 2014-92292 and the one with the student number of 2014-92293. What else can we do here? I'll show you another one. can use the command called rlike. So I'll show you an example. So it's gonna look up anything that actually contains a COMM in the tables. So let's see the results. So you see com1, com2, and com3. So everything that has com, it's gonna bring that up in the results. And the last one I'm gonna teach you is combining that with an OR statement. So an OR statement, where's ID are like 1. So what this one's gonna do is gonna try to look up for anything that has com in its name and also has a number 1 in its name. So let's see the results. So this one has com. This is a number 1, and number 1, and number 1, and number 1. So that's it. Thank you very much.